Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another vlog. This is Farmer Andrew and you're at the channel Fruits for the Youths. So peeps, I'm here in Claremont, St. Anne, and I came to visit the Rural Agriculture Development Authority, also known as RADA. This is the head office for St. Anne, and I'm just here passing through, and I decided to come and report what happened on my farm. I'm a new farmer. I wasn't instructed as to what to do, but I do think the best thing to do is to report the loss to whoever is in charge. So I'm gonna head up there to RADA today, report what I lost from the farm. You guys saw, you're on the journey with me, you saw all that I've lost. So I'm just gonna report it. And I'm gonna leave here today, peeps, and I'm gonna visit a pumpkin farmer, my friend, one of my mentor and friend, in the hills of St. Anne, a place named Alva. I'm gonna take you on the journey. He's the type of person who doesn't really like the camera. This is here, right there. I'm not gonna bring the camera inside, but I'll bring the camera to the pumpkin farm. My colleague and friend doesn't like to be on camera, so I'm just going to highlight his farm and let you see what's happening here in St. Anne. So come along on this journey, peeps, and we'll see the outcome of it. Now we're in the community of Claremont, St. Anne. Alright, very historic part of Jamaica. There's a lot of historic buildings. For example, this church right here, I think it's the Anglican church and the church hall. We still have the old buildings. See? Old type of buildings. I think that's a member of parliament building right there. And around the area we have some nice houses and stuff. So very historic and nice place. More historic buildings right there. I wouldn't say historic buildings, but old type of building, old designs. Post office is right here. Most of these buildings need to be repaired. See? So come along with me today, peeps, while I go through St. Anne and see if I can see some farmland and visit my good friend. Alright? So right there we have the police station and parish court. And then there's this big clock tower showing England's authority. It's just like a landmark to show that it's a British type of thing. That's what they do, peeps. When they colonize a country, they will go through and leave their type of building and their type of marks, like the bricks and stuff. Just to show that the place. When we were little and growing up and we came to Claremont, we always said that there's a portal at the bottom of this clock right here. But this is nothing but some of the inside. Break and wires and inside want to clean out and all that. But we always think that there was a portal here. Come along, we're heading up the hill and we're heading to Alva. We're out here in the hills of St. Anne, alright, and we're at a pumpkin farm. As far as your eyes can see, we have pumpkin. Alright, pumpkin all over this property right here. How many acres of pumpkin? This is a lot. Anyways, I'm gonna give you a close-up and a first-hand look as to what is going on in this pumpkin farm. So come along with me on this journey and I'll show you what's up. So I'm here, peeps, on the pumpkin farm, and you can see that this pumpkin is not too thick. The spacing is very awesome. Seems as if it's about 10 or 8 feet apart. Yeah, it's gonna get thick. Now, in the farm, peeps, we have some carts that run parallel to the pumpkin, and they are rows. Alright, I guess the farmer put these in place just to, like for example, when he's spraying the crop, he doesn't get mixed up and stuff like that. And it's a good look, peeps. All the way up on the hill right there is pumpkin. And the cards is all over the place. Now look around, peeps. Now these pumpkin here are at a different stage from the ones that are up top. You notice a big difference. Different stages. And then over this side now we have a totally different stage of pumpkin. The whole valley is filled with pumpkin. Yeah, so they are planted in stages, peeps. So this farmer is definitely a big pumpkin farmer. He plants in stages, so he ensures that he always have crops. That is very awesome, peeps. So we're in the farming community of Alva in St. Ann. And this pumpkin farm belongs to my colleague. Chooses not to be on camera, but you know, I have to highlight the great work that this farmer is doing. And there wasn't any much damage done to the pumpkin as it relates to the disaster the other day, Hurricane Beryl. And the red dirt, people, remember, doesn't hold the water. That young man there is my tour guide, showing me what's going on the farm. We have some guys over there working on the farm. Awesome look. So yes, peeps, the more you explore, the more you get, you know, connections to people who are in the same field as you. You know, it has to be good news. I'm seeing one pumpkin there. Not seeing many pumpkin. So I'm gonna give you another view of the farm. I'm gonna go on that side over there and give you an overhead view. Alright. So this is another view of the pumpkin farm. All the way on top of that hill. And people, the hill is very steep. Look here again now. This is so awesome, peeps. So this is awesome looking, people. I'm just out and about. I came and check on my, you know, long time friend. And here we are. He's doing the same thing that I'm doing. I knew he was doing it, but not so big. I didn't know he was doing it so big, which is good. Motivation for me right now. Yes, man. So here we are again, peeps. This is so... And the pumpkins are so... looking so nice, peeps. Right here, peeps, we have some sweet potatoes on this farm right here. Looking lovely. Crows are out. Thanks for watching this video, peeps. Thanks for coming on the journey with me. Remember, gossip is a broke people's sport. And fruits for the youth. So love your friends, love your neighbors. and peace.